It's been requested by a number of users that we include generic heat emitters in terms of radiators. So on the insert emitters other, so other emitters, you can pick up the heat loss from the space. You can then put the load that you want to allocate per radiator, for example, generically. So I might want to apply 1 kilowatt. I can put the resistance, I can put the reference, also the mounting height. Treat as radiator implies that it will snap under windows. You then put the dimensions in, width, height, place. Place the next one, place the last one. Note you don't have flow and return connections. These can vary. These will be then determined by how you pipe the insert emitter others up. So normally when you have a manufacturer's radiator, you'll have the flow usually on the left end, depending on the flow connections and the return connections that you set up. With these, they can be all either, and they could be a mixture. So on this one, I could have the flow from the left-hand end, and on this one, I could have it from the right-hand end. So when you're applying insert emitter others generically, you can have the flow and return connections, whichever end you wish. And of course, you just pipe it up as you would normally do so.